Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. Alright, today's videos we're gonna do an unboxing, and this time we are opening an advent calendar by Partmar. And oh my god, the item I'm gonna open right now is a collectible toy, and they sold out everywhere. And I can't believe I got it. Are you ready? Huh. It is the Castle Miracle box, and it's the Molly Christmas 2024. And let's open this up and see what's in here. Quickly, you can buy this on partmar.com, but they sold out ever since they released on the first day. And this entire box is $84. Comes with a 6 Molly character in here. It's all related to Christmas. And then, if you know about Partmar, they're known for their mystery box, and they always have the secret box. So secret is something that very limited quantity, and they usually will tell you that it's one of 74 boxes or one of 10. For this particular one, there's one of 6, and that's the pink one. And there's a 5 of the 6, it's the blue one. So I'm hoping I can get the pink one here. The pink one is so beautiful. All right, let's open this baby now. All right, we have a Zimomo there. Zimomo's watching. He wanna know what's in here. This box is so beautiful. Alright, over here it shows you it comes with a 6 different character guarantee, and there's a special one. You either get this one, that's a 5 of the sea. This is the guarantee. If you don't get this one, you get a super special one, that's a pink one. So finger crossed we get the pink one. Okay, let's open the Castle Miracle box, Molly Christmas 2024. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Open up like this. Unfortunately, they don't really stay up there. Come on, you can stay. And then when you open right away, it shows a little postcard right here. It's Molly is celebrating Christmas. This is very, very cute. 3, 2, 1, Merry Christmas. All right. So there's total 7 boxes in here. Immediately, I know something I do not like. It's not a drawer. It's the box you need to pick the hole. And you know, I wish they have a drawer in there for the price they ask. The drawer is always better. You can reuse. And look at this castle. Just look at this right now. This is beautiful, right? Let me show you guys. That's pretty. Okay, let's go to door number 1. There's little area that you can punch in, I guess. Okay, at least this is easy to open. Let's see what's in here. Oh my god, this is so adorable. It's a Molly ornament. There's a little snow inside. You can see that. All right, this is the first one. Look at this Molly. And this one is called Molly Bubble, I think. I mean, one thing about Partmar, all their figuring, they make it really beautiful. Look at the coloring. Look at the detail. Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go to box number 2. This one feels very big. Ooh, what is this? It's not Molly. It's a gift for Molly. This is a gift for Molly. And then, you know, it's interesting. There's no something here that we can use to put on a Christmas tree. But this is really cute. So far, so good. Number 3. Oh, I'm damaging the box. try not to damage this. What is this? It's another Molly. I love Molly. Molly's so adorable. What do you guys think about this? Merry Christmas. She's holding something. I should have something that she can hold. Oh, right here. It's right here. I was like missing something. So she can hold a cookie plate and a spatula here. That is adorable. That's very, very adorable. Let's go to box number 4. You know, ever since they released this, I want this so bad. And they sold out in like a second. Seriously. So hard to find. Oh, this is so adorable. Look, friends. Oh my God, look at this. Whose sweater? Whose sweater? Molly is wearing the oversized sweater, and the Santa Claus hat is a frog. Right here is a very soft material. Very, very adorable. Oh my God, this is so cute. Okay, let's go to number 5. Wait, number 5, is this 6 somewhere? Hold on. I really don't want to damage the box. Ah, right here. Let's see what this is. Look at this. It's Molly in her Santa Claus. She's waiting for Santa, and she has her little toy here. Remember, this is her toys. Wow, look at all this is tiny little detail in here. Underneath dress, a snowflake on her hat. Super, super adorable. Super adorable. All right, so I'll put this right here. Now, let's go to number 6. Then we're going to open the number 7. Is what I'm really anticipate. I know what this is. It's the little painter wreath, like Christmas wreath. It's cute, but it's very small. I guess you can put her face here or something. Okay, it's cute. It's very cute. It's a Molly hat, it's a Christmas, the gingerbread character, different item on here. It's very nice material, very soft. All right, so now what we've been waiting for is this one. So we are either gonna get the blue one, which is the standard Miracle for You, or we're gonna get a pink one. Pink one is one of every 6 box, there's a pink one. So, finger crossed. And this one's it's big. Okay. Is this the secret? I don't know. I can see the color. I think it's a blue one. Oh, darn it. Darn it. It's the blue one, my friend. It's not the pink one. But look how cute. It's a Tiffany blue. And when you open it, she's sitting right here. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look at that. So let me just show you this one more time without the... Okay, are you guys ready? One more time, let's do it. Oh, so adorable. Although it's not pink, but I'll take it. She's in her little angel dress, waiting for Santa. She's been a very good girl. Her wing is back here. Super, super adorable. Oh my god, I love this box right here. It's Tiffany blue. Now I'm thinking, oh, the pink one is gonna be so pretty. Oh well. Okay, let's do a quick recap what we have. Let me know what you think about this box. Do you think it's worth the money for $84.99 or it's not? Yeah, I mean, I really like it. And let me know which one's your favorite character here. They are so adorable. Why is they don't give me a little ribbon right here to put on the Christmas tree? I don't get it. That is wrong. I hope you liked today's video unboxing Molly Miracle Castle, and I'm really loving it, even though I didn't get the secret ones. But I think this is so adorable. I mean, just look at this. Look at her. She's so cute. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here, turn on notification bell so the time and day I release my video. And if you're interested to buy some Labubu stuff, I'm also a Whatnot seller. I've been selling on Whatnot since March this year, and it's been really helping me a lot financially. And I'm selling Disney pins. I sell Yibu Beauty on there, and now I'm selling Mark collectible toys on there too. I'll put the link right over down below so you can check it out and come say hi to me. It's really fun live stream selling platform. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye. Happy holiday.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.